What's up, guys? We finna make some miso soup. Oh man, I'm hungry. Now, today I get home from practice, kinda hungry. Normally I'd make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, maybe a ham sandwich. I didn't want that today. Kinda wanted some Japanese food. The only problem is I'm not Japanese. At least I don't think I'm Japanese. And I don't know how to make any food. I have not cooked very much. I think the solution is going to be to go online to ChatgPT, an AI bot that generates basically anything you can ask it to do, and ask it how to make miso soup. Now I had to look up miso soup because, again, I'm not Japanese and don't make Japanese food. We're gonna make some Japanese food and stay along for the ride. It's gonna get messy. I just realized that I basically have none of the ingredients to make this, so we're just gonna have to improvise. This stuff I couldn't find anywhere in the house, and I'm pretty sure it's because I'm Caucasian and just don't cook Japanese food at all. But it calls for 4 cups of water, which I do have surprisingly, 3 tablespoons of miso paste, which I looked it up, it's actually just fermented soybean. Kind of looks disgusting, kind of like crushed chickpea almost. A block of tofu. I'm gonna use chicken instead. I don't have any tofu. 1 to 2 green onions. I have a purple onion. Hope that doesn't change the flavor that much. A sheet of nori seaweed. I don't have that laying around, unfortunately. We're gonna use some lettuce instead. A tablespoon of dried bonito flakes, which I looked it up. It's basically smoked tuna cut really thinly. It looks like paper, kind of disgusting. But that's a personal opinion. Don't take my word for it. Go eat some smoked tuna paper. And a teaspoon of soy sauce, which is actually 3 tablespoons and a teaspoon of soy sauce because I didn't have any miso paste. Boil it up, mix it together, and we'll get on that. I have the pot. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the stove. I'm gonna try not to burn the house down. And that was the Caucasian rendition of miso soup. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And I am entirely just kidding. I'm still starving.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Welcome to the White Boy ASMR YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making miso soup from scratch. So as much as I want to stand here and watch the fire as it engulfs my entire house, I think I should probably get around to getting the rest of the ingredients. I think I just found my substitute for nori seaweed, and I also found hummus, which I can probably use as the miso paste. Yummy soy sauce. They're so hungry. And here we have our 1 green onion. Don't mind the color. It's a green onion. Dried bonito flakes. I don't want to add too many because frankly, they're kind of disgusting. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of hummus. I'm going to hard boil some eggs to use in place of the tofu. I think it might be closer to tofu than chicken is. So I had to look up how long to boil eggs, and it's approximately 8 minutes. 8. So we'll run that when the eggs start boiling. That'll be a good substitute for our tofu. And in the meantime, so for some reason I found this gem in my contacts. And if you're wondering what dragon fruit tastes like, it tastes like kiwi but wetter. And there's more seeds. And it's white instead of green. I had to hand strain out some of the extra tuna. Alright, now once the fake tofu, the eggs are done, I'm going to add it all to the fish water and then turn off the heat after stirring it. I think they're hard, so now we're going to try them. That's what she's cooling off my eggs. May or may not have burnt myself on them. Fake seaweed and onions. Miso soup paste. I'm gonna have to scrape that out. We're gonna put it back on high for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna add our tofu. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look anything like the pictures though. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Can ChatGPT teach a white boy how to cook like a Japanese grandma? Here we go. Wish me luck. It's bussin'. It really is. To be fair, guys, it's actually not that bad. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night or whatever time it is. I'm gonna go clean up the dishes that I made. I might be here for a while.